To help people with those relief efforts in Houston. We were able to speak to the executive director of the West Michigan chapter. He says he's heading to Texas on Wednesday.
The Red Cross looking for volunteers to help in the disaster areas. They have had some issues getting to certain areas because the airports are closed. The group asking for blood donations, though, food and clothing donations. You can go online to do that. You can call. You can do this through the mail as well.
I saw yesterday there was an alert from some of the media outlets out there that they're in need of XXX shirts. They don't have enough clothing for the people who are down there.
And again, the volunteering issues, that's why they're asking for some of these donations, because they can't necessarily physically get everyone to the area yet, but they will be able to. This effort could take months, we know, and the storm itself is not over yet. Yeah,
and Storm Teammate's Matt Kirkwood is here to walk us through what it's doing now. Matt's kind of stalled out there in Texas.
It is. That's really the big problem, Casey and Teresa. It's stalled out very close to its source region of all this moisture, the Gulf of Mexico. A little bit of good news on two fronts. Right now, here's a current position right around Mesquite Bay of what is now Tropical Storm Harvey. Here's Houston. And you saw the flooding video and the rescue going on there. The heaviest band has shifted out of the Houston area, at least for now, but it's amazing how heavy the rain is. Folks, this is a 1 hour estimated rainfall amount. 4.8 inches in 1 hour, 6.6 inches in 1 hour. The entire summer we've received about 7.6 inches of rain. They're getting it in 1 single hour in some locations there. So the heaviest rain is shifted east towards the Beaumont, Texas area, and also Louisiana is going to get on the act as well. You can obviously see all the flood warnings out there. So here's the problem. The Tropical Storm Harvey is just going to kind of meander, go over the Gulf Coast a little bit, and then finally by Thursday should exit Texas. Yes, Thursday. That's amazing. But as it continues spinning around, more heavy rain expected. Some locations could receive up to 50 inches of rain. Yeah, 50. It's amazing. And the one little bit of good news is it looks like Tropical Storm Harvey will continue as a tropical storm even as it comes out over the Gulf of Mexico. Casey?
Yeah, Matt, putting that in perspective, you say 6 inches in an hour. The record here in Grand Rapids just over 5.5 in a 24-hour period. Devastating in the Texas area. The coverage of Hurricane Harvey continues this morning for you throughout daybreak. In our next half hour, we'll look at how that hurricane could impact you at the gas pump here in this week. We're expecting also a special report from NBC News coming up at 6 o'clock and 6:30 this morning. The Today Show will be live in Houston with the latest on the historic flooding.